Hey guys, so it's morning. If you cannot tell, I'm in my bed. And so, yeah, and I thought that I would just put an outfit on and just change my outfit. So yeah, I don't know, oh crap. I don't know what to do right now. It's 6:05 and yeah, so today's plan, I tell you guys what my plan was because I don't know what else to do. And yeah, by the way, this is one of my best friends in real life called Chelsea, and she gave me some gifts today, so yeah. So go ahead and add her up. Goldie Locks is hot. And yeah, anyway. So I'm just literally when I wake up, I don't usually go onto MSP straight away. I usually go into like YouTube or Netflix. Just been on Netflix actually. I watched a bit of an episode of Alexa and Katie, and then I watched a bit of an episode of what do you call it, Dance Academy, and I just was about to watch the next step. But then I wanted to film because I needed to log onto my account, check if anything happened, and yeah. I'm not quite sure if I still have his hair, but it was just on one of my outfits because I've had I used to have loads of party curls, but since my account got hacked, my Miss Goldies went. I'm not kidding you guys, I had 6 Miss Goldies, 17 party curls or something. 14 party curls actually, because I remember counting them. And yeah, but it all got hacked and it all went. So this is just gonna be a random video, by the way, so you gotta stay posting. And yeah, some of the videos I've also got up are Minecraft videos. And yeah, they're kind of stupid, but you know. Okay, I've not seen one single party curl so far. Other than the one on my head. But you know, oh, I love this hair, by the way. I'm just checking if I've got the hair. I'm not gonna keep that outfit on because I'm gonna make a kawaii outfit. Also, I used to be so into Kawaii-chan. If you don't know who she is, Kawaii-chan, acting on my street and that. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so I used to be obsessed with that, and yeah. I don't think it's there. Yeah, I used to have, whoa, I remember that hair. That was ages ago. Okay, so again, new outie. It feels weird coming onto this sort of thing. I don't know why. I might wear this, but I don't think I will. I might wear a mail. It kind of goes. It goes with the hair. But that goes more. So, you know. I don't know if I have a full outfit. An actual full outfit for the things that I'm going to put on right now. But my bed is so comfortable. I'm not kidding you. My room's so big, too. I'm not kidding you guys. I love the space that I have. I have some mats over there. I could be doing a gymnastics video, but I don't really do things like that for videos at all. If I do start a personal showing me, my face and that, then I obviously will tell you guys, but for now I don't. So yeah, let's just stick to the MSP videos. Yeah, and also one time I'm gonna go into my backup and I'm gonna do things accidentally give my password away. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Just video ideas. I'm logging onto my phone right now. I have not been on my phone yet, and I have 106 things on Instagram. I have so many accounts on Instagram. There we go. It was lagging then. So yeah, why do people spam their account? On my main account, I've only got 14 posts. On my gymnastics account, I had 230 posts, and I'm tagged in something. so it's not on tag. Okay, oh sorry. I meant to be looking for an outfit, not how many. Okay, I can't see what I'm being tagged. But yeah. So yeah. I might wear these, but then I wouldn't really be a very typical outfit. I might wear this skirt actually. They seem color-wise. Okay. I remember the chicken outfit. Oh crap. I do not have to. Ugh. Guys, never ever, just never ever give your password out, especially when you've worked so hard on your account. It really sucks, like, the outcome that comes out of. I don't really see the point in hacking people, though. I mean, I'd probably do it, but, yeah. But I won't do it for no reason, obviously. Like, if it was just a person that I met, well, not met, not even knew. Yeah. I don't know how to say that, but right now I'm so tired. I don't know why. I'm just literally moving around the bed to get comfortable. Oh, finally, the shoes are cool. I want to wear some fairies. Or something potential like this. Wait, should I wear something like trainers? That was from when I got the diamond pack. I think it looks good with the trainers actually. Also, nearly all of my rares have gone, so don't judge me if I don't have any barely any rares. Don't judge me. I'm gonna wear these furries if it matches. I'm pretty sure it will match. Yes, it matches, and then it's going to be accessories. We've got a full outfit made, depending on what accessories I use. I'm gonna use pink paint. I think Mom's I don't know, she probably got it for 5. Okay, I was gonna see if that would look good, but I don't think it would. What about the bunnies? That looks cute, but I can't have it because I don't think it goes. I'm probably using that, and I'm gonna try. Again, sorry about the lack of rares. Why is it so laggy? Sorry for the lack of things on this video. I'm barely doing anything on this video. Yeah, I thought that would look cool, just seeing a little tattoo go through. Yeah, you get it. I think you get it. If you don't get it, then you don't get it. Yeah. I don't know what to say right now. This is so awkward for me. I'm just making a random video at the beginning of the morning. It's waking up and vlog people are doing hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So I'm so tired, and yeah, I just wanted to film because I'm so bored. And yeah, this is just for the fun of it, which is not, but you know. Okay, I'm gonna have this outfit. Yeah, bruh, this is a good outfit. We lit. And to make it even more kawaii, I'm really sad about my username. I wish I could change it. I wish I could change it to something like Kawaii-chan. I might make a video, an account that's called Kawaii-chan. So, yeah. Why have I just pressed on that? I think it should be on the poses one. The thing that I'm on about. Not on it yet. It's here. It's so kawaii. By the way, I have so many animations. Yeah. And right now, to like end off the video, okay, so people think that like, cause I asked if they like got me like, if they like give me a gift on my Kiki Rose account, if they just give me like 1 or 2 gifts, then I'd give them a greet. It was like, oh no, you're gonna wait, do I have any gifts? I don't know. And I'm not gonna bother to. Yeah, anyway. And they're like, oh, you probably never given any greets whatsoever out. Bitch, I'm over the diamond stage. Like, nearly 50 over the diamond stage. Like, why would I need to not give? Plus, you cannot see it, but up there in the corner, I have 1,269 diamonds. Like, and I'm getting VIP. Today, technically, today. Yes, today. I'm so excited. You do not know how excited I am. Not have brought that up because, you know, I just. Oh my gosh, but yeah. I don't know what this is. Have one invited friend reach level 6. Okay. I want to do that. I need to do them because I want to do all of them. I don't know which ones I haven't got on this. But yeah, I'm missing like, what, 10? Oh, it says on that I'm missing 10 things to get to the thing. Okay, I'm mainly on diamond stage on most things, but I just don't have this yet. On one of the Christmas party, I should have one of them, but you know. Buy one of the hidden garden gnomes. What if I knew what it was? So yeah, so I've got diamond on spend over 2,000 diamonds. That just proves that I have a lot of diamonds. And that I've spent a lot of them. Shop. Girl, that's like how much the drip top is. I think. No, the drip top's less than that. Wait, what? No, it's not what I thought it was. That's not that much. Oh, shop 4. So, I thought that was how many coins I've spent. Is it? That cannot be how many coins I've spent. Girl, what? I just came out the kitchen. Buy 100 items or clothes that cost 500 star coins or more. I've gone over the limit. I've gone 124 over the limit. Okay, this one, buy 100 tops. I've got 182 tops. Wait, last time I checked, before my account got hacked, I had 294, bitch. It shows how much I got hacked. And I had them tops, like before I was recording this channel. That amount of tops, so it just proves how many times I've been hacked. Buy 100 animations. How many animations are they? But anyway, I've got 117 animations. I give animations away, by the way, guys, so I'd probably have more, but you know. I'll probably get them all back because I usually give them all to like my other accounts. By 100 accessories. Ooh, I have 116 accessories. Girl, what? I just can't. By 70 bottoms. I've got 75 bottoms. I mean, it's okay. Okay, I'm not diamond stage of this. Nearly am. I just need to buy 4 my shoes. I'm not 66 shoes. Well, anyway. I buy 100 sets of hair. I've got 105 sets of hair. I'd probably have like, what, 201. If, yeah, I'm not even on the diamond stage of this. Buy 100 items. Whatever. Yeah, by the way, if you guys did not see my last video, it was a, I've got nothing on, oh yes I do. Why do I have this on my wish list? I didn't even know I had anything on my wish list. Look, Goldilocks is hot. That's so true. Yeah, I had a mini mail time. But then the last 2 gifts was not in my mail time because it was sent after I did my mail time, like pretty late at night actually. But I managed to open them. And yes, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I just realized it's September.